Hey y'all, I'm Larisha.
And I'm Andrew, and we're from Make It Dairy Free.
And today we're going to show you how to make vegan jackfruit tacos.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Today we're going to be cooking these vegan jackfruit tacos on the Char-Broil True Infrared 4-burner gas grill. With the wide shelf on the side, we can do most of our prep right at the grill. Start by cutting the hard ends off your jackfruit, discard those pieces, and then add your jackfruit to a large bowl. You are going to then drizzle a little high heat oil over your jackfruit pieces and carefully toss. You don't want your jackfruit to come apart, so be careful when mixing. Then you are going to add in your barbecue seasoning blend and then carefully stir together some more, making sure that each piece is well coated. Then you are going to add 5 to 6 pieces of jackfruit to a skewer and repeat until you have no remaining jackfruit. Once your grill has preheated, you are going to add your skewers to the grill. With the True Infrared technology, you can place your skewers anywhere on the grill since there are no hot or cold spots, just even heating across the entire grill. After about 2 to 3 minutes, you should have great char lines on your jackfruit and you can carefully flip them over. This grill works to prevent flare-ups, so there's less to worry about when flipping. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and then you can remove them. With your jackfruit infused with those delicious grill flavors, it's time to put them in your sauce. Add your barbecue sauce to a medium pot and place it on the burner right at the grill. Then push the jackfruit off the skewers and directly into the sauce. Once all of your jackfruit is into your sauce, you are going to let that cook over medium heat, stirring often for 20 minutes. No need to be careful when stirring at this point, and it's okay if the jackfruit breaks apart inside of the sauce.
So while you're waiting on your jackfruit to finish up, this is a good time to pop a few of your sides onto the grill. Of course, you could have prepped these on the stove, but adding them to the grill makes them so much more flavorful. We're using some melted plant-based butter, and we brush it on to perfection. If you're like our family, corn is mandatory as a side, and these peppers help keep textures more interesting. With your grill on high heat, cook the corn for about 10 minutes, turning often, and the peppers a bit less. Don't be afraid to brush on some more plant-based butter before removing these delicious sides.
Once your jackfruit has cooked for 20 minutes, remove it from the heat and then you are going to transfer it all to a plate. Then you are going to use 2 forks and pull the jackfruit apart in a similar style to other pulled meats. It should easily flake apart. Do that until no large pieces remain.
Once you get here, you're almost at the finish line. It's just a matter of choosing the perfect additions to pair up with your tacos. Pull out all your favorite toppings that will help put these tacos over the top. We choose to prep limes to squeeze on, avocados, and cabbage as a finishing touch with our jackfruit tacos. Alright folks, we hope you enjoy and have fun grilling.